I've been thinking about getting a new hood for the Sierra.
For real?
Yeah, bro, that Z. What is this, ZL1, right?
Oh, yeah, the one with the little bubble?
Yeah, with the vents and shit, bro.
Yeah, that would be clean.
Bro, huh? Was you there yesterday, bro, by any chance?
Nah.
You know?
I didn't stop by the yard yesterday.
Oh, dang, because I think was your brother there by any chance?
Nah, bro, he wasn't there. I don't think so.
Damn, low-key, I left my doors unlocked. Was anybody there the other day?
I don't know.
Shit, I better go check that motherfucker.
They took everything, bro. They really took everything. The seats, the carpet. Oh my God.
Bro, they left me with nothing.
I'm ready when you are.
Go.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
What's going on, silly billies? It's Thrill 3 Most Wanted with another video for y'all. Just want to start by apologizing for the lack of content we haven't been posting. Been really busy working that 9-to-5 life because we haven't made it in the internet world yet, obviously. So anyways, we've been focusing on the yard right now, getting road base in here because it's a muddy mess behind me. And we eventually get a gate up over here to block off this alley. And pretty soon we'll eventually start working on these trucks when we get a carport up and we're not getting blasted by the sun.
So if y'all know any good painters in the Denver area, please let us know.
Psych! We the painters, and we finna paint these Johns.
We completely stripped the inside of the Sierra except the dash and the headliner. So my plan for the Sierra is to get a full Escalade interior and get some kill mat going for a system. So our first step on this interior would get some kill mat for it and get a parts truck for it.
And as you guys can tell, it was already wired for a system, but we're gonna redo everything, make everything look clean in here. Lay down that kill mat, obviously do a new carpet, rewrap the whole headliner, and eventually get this back window changed for a Tundra full window that rolls down. Obviously, you gotta modify this a little bit and whatnot, get some fabrication going. We're gonna change out these door speakers, and obviously clean up all our wiring harnesses. We've been slowly doing it on the regular cab short bed project, but this one's next for all the tail light, headlight, all the harnesses really. All we're doing is pretty much rewrapping them in electrical tape, except it's fabric electrical tape.
We're also gonna throw a Pontiac moonroof on this. This truck's finna look like it just came out in 2004. So we took off the extra pillars that it had and the fender flares so we could get it prepped for some body work. Today we're gonna take off the front bumper and sell it so we can get some funds to get a brand new one. Same thing with this busted grill. For the back half, we're going to prep it for a notch and throw some paint on it.
Damn, boy.
Look at all that oil.
No notch. Surface rust. Yeah. It's a regular cab short bed, and we're gonna do a 6-speed T56 up in here. We got a 9902 center console. We're gonna eventually do some modifications to the cup holder here. We get a new steering wheel in here. We already got the cluster, and like I was mentioning y'all, we got the harness wires rewrapped. Yeah, like I said, we're gonna just get the interior cleaned up in here a little bit. We don't have much to do. So this rear end ain't looking too good, ain't it? We're gonna run 17x11s with some big boy tires. We're running a new monster notch to weld up some coilovers to, and do a 3-link setup for our suspension to get rid of this dookie leaf spring setup that comes from factory. Just got the bumper bolts, and this bumper is going to come right off. They're 10mm, bro.
got the bumper and the grill pulled off, got it all cleaned up. Now they're ready to sell. We just got ourselves some chelas and 150 bucks from selling the front end of the Sierra.
That'll be it for today's video, y'all. We appreciate y'all for watching. We'll make sure y'all stay tuned for the progress on the yard and our trucks and everything else we got going on, because we're gonna be eventually dropping more consistently as long as we get good feedback from y'all. If y'all like something, y'all want to see something in our videos, just mention it down in the comments. Make sure y'all stay tuned, subscribe.